In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the Shop All button on Shopify. This can be a really useful skill to personalize the look and feel of your online store, making it more appealing to your customers. Let's dive in. First things first, we'll need to navigate to your Shopify store. Go ahead and log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're on the home page of your Shopify dashboard, you'll find an option on the left-hand side labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can manage all the visual elements of your store, such as themes and design settings. Now, moving on, you'll see a Themes section once you're in the online store settings. Here, you'll find your current theme displayed with a Customize button beside it. Click on this Customize button. This will open up the theme editor, which is the customizable interface where you can adjust various elements of your site's appearance. Next, we need to locate the section of your theme where the Shop All button is located. Most commonly, this button is found on an image banner that displays prominently on your homepage. In the theme editor's sidebar, look for an option labeled Image Banner and click on it. This will allow us to make changes specifically to the banner section. Once you have the image banner settings open, look for a section marked Content. Click on that to reveal different content options within your banner, including buttons, text, and images. This is where you'll find the Shop All button configuration. Now on to positioning. Inside the content options, locate and click on the Position setting. This is where you can alter the placement of the Shop All button on your banner. Depending on the layout and design of your banner, you might want the button on the left, right, or perhaps centered. Moving the position allows you to select the ideal spot that works for your store's aesthetics. Finally, in our journey to tailor your store's style, click on the Alignment option. The alignment settings let you decide how you want the button and accompanying text to be arranged. Whether you prefer everything to be left-aligned, right-aligned, or centered, adjusting these settings can significantly impact how your visitors interact with your site. By following these steps, you now know how to move the Shop All button on Shopify to better suit your store's design. Playing around with these settings not only enhances the design of your store, but also elevates user experience, potentially increasing sales. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these customizations enhance your Shopify store.